Hi, today I'm for the Moto G73 and I'll show you how to customize always on display option on this device. So let's first launch the Muviz application. Let's open it and select one from the available themes. Here click to apply. If you want to change the backgrounds of this theme, just slide to the up or to the down. Click to apply to. If you wanna hide music controls after 10 seconds or just to hold on, hide them. So here slide to the left or to the right side these dots. If you wanna show the date, just click to the switcher, and to show battery status always while device charging, or just to don't show it on the AD screen, just switch it here. Let's click the X icon, switch AD to the settings. Tap the always on display. If you want to turn off the option, just click here to the switcher in the right upper corner to show it on lock screen always while device charging, or when you will play the music. We should use these sections, thus we can use them separately or together. If you want to change screen timeout from 5 minutes just to 15 or just to never, just select one for this available the available minutes here. Just to change the brightness level, slide it to decrease or increase it. If you want to close it with a double or single tap on the lock screen, also we should switch it here. And if you use the fingerprint and lock method, we should tap on the switcher. Also, if you want to close it on screen off, we can set also the shadow, the start and the end time, and to disable this option during the calls. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.